Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got an L39 capable of over 200 kilometers an hour with a 3D printed tail just about to go up. We're going to feed in about 75% throttle and take off. Pick up the gear. And we're off. So now what I'm going to try and do is make a circle, make sure everything is in check, and then we want to start trimming out the plane. This is a 3D printed horizontal stabilizer, and it's the first flight of that. So things are not dialed in yet.
26 down.
Hopefully that's enough trim in order to get this thing flying straight. Seems pretty good so far. And remember, not only is the elevator and horizontal stabilizer printed, but we also have replaced the ailerons, and the aileron sections are also 3D printed. Now we're going to take the plane around the corner here and open it up for the very first time. 100% throttle, and that plane sounds so good on 10S, spinning tens of thousands of RPM there at full throttle. So now I'm going to come around and just feel it out again. It does seem to want to drift up.
30 down, 32 down.
A couple clicks of down elevator just to get that plane closer to the ground on the next pass. And once again, we're going to pull it through this corner and then open up the throttle to 100% and make a nice speed run pass. There it is. That one felt great. It felt really dialed in and tracking nice, straight, and true, allowing me to get nice and tight to the ground. Those are the top speed passes that I absolutely love with these EDF jets. Let's go ahead, do that once again. We're going to make another fast pass, and then we're probably going to be ready for making a landing. Get the plane situated out there and turned right back around for us, and we can get that throttle to 100% for another speed pass. And we pull straight up, we rotate the plane 180 degrees, and we head back towards us. We hear the call out from the radio, drop the gear, check that we have 3 gear on there, and there is. Everything seems to be pretty good. It's tracking straight and true, so we're going for our downwind leg here. We're going to turn base, and then we're going to come in for our landing. I should say this plane obviously does not fly the same as a stock plane. It is quite heavier than factory. Let me know in the comment section below what your weight of an 80mm jet is and what you think this jet here weighs. Not the prettiest of landings, but on a Re-Maidened, I'll take it. And off the runway for brakes to slow this plane down. Next time I'll need to try decreasing the descent speed a bit further, get that softer landing. We'll get the plane turned around and down the runway. And that's it for this Re-Maidened. Make sure you are subscribed, because if you like speed as I do, there's plenty more RC vehicles that will be going fast on this channel. See you in the next one.